Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you an exciting way to demonstrate the rapid oxidation of sugar. Check this out. All I'm using in this demonstration is my metric scale, potassium chlorate, 18 molar sulfuric acid, granulated sugar, my dropper, and a ceramic crucible on a ring stand. Begin by measuring out 2 grams of your potassium chlorate. Add the potassium chlorate to your crucible. Next, measure out 2 grams of granulated sugar. Now add your sugar to your crucible with the potassium chlorate. Next, you want to homogenize your mixture of potassium chlorate and sugar. This particular compound is sensitive to shock, so when you stir it, you can cut the crystals with the edge of a spoon, but don't use a pestle with this particular compound because it's really sensitive to shock. So I'm just kind of cutting the lumps of potassium chlorate carefully with the edge of my spoon. I'm just mixing it around until I can't tell the difference between the granulated sugar and the potassium chlorate. You want a nice, even, homogenized mixture. Okay, this next step is the most exciting. We're going to catalyze our mixture of potassium chlorate and sugar by introducing just a drop of 18 molar sulfuric acid. And what this is going to do is just going to speed up the rate of the reaction so that that sugar undergoes rapid oxidation. Here we go. Oh! Very exciting. Isn't that amazing? So one of the products in this exciting reaction is the rapid oxidation of the sugar, and you can see the carbon here. It's very, very light and fluffy. If I touch it, I mean, it just crumbles. It's super light. Okay, so what's going on in this amazing example of rapid oxidation is you begin with the products, potassium chlorate, that's the KClO3, and sucrose, the C12H22O11. And as you homogenize both those crystals, you can catalyze the mixture with 1 drop of 18 molar sulfuric acid, that's the H2SO4. And as you do that, the potassium chlorate undergoes thermal decomposition and becomes potassium chloride and oxygen, which then rapidly oxidizes the sucrose and produces that amazing flame with kind of a purple hue that's caused by the potassium ions. And then you get the product carbon, and of course carbon dioxide, some water vapor, and your KCl, that's the potassium chloride, and a tremendous amount of heat in this amazing exothermic reaction. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.